Hi guys, it's SweetTooth967 doing an unbagging video. Today we're looking at Next men's loungewear. This basically you order it online, it comes in a bag like this. Yeah, then let's have a look inside. Loungewear, large, long leg. Next, crafted for the individual. Alright. It's got the sizes on the back. It's 100% cotton. All on the bottom and the top. Cool. So let's have a look. Originally was £24. Down to £10 online because it was in the sale, so that's why we got it. Right. I wanted a long sleeved top for the night wear because I hate short sleeve tops, and obviously the trousers because my pyjamas are about knackered. Right, so cool. So first things first, let's see if we can get into this. That one there. That just goes into there like so. Alright. So these are the, I assume, the top, and these are the bottoms. That was a bit of a struggle, guys. That was never going to get into the bloody thing. So upon feel, that feels really, really thick. When you compare them to a standard pair of pyjamas, that's really nice cotton. I got a pair last year for £8 in the sales, but it didn't have the top, so let's take a look at the top. Alright, so the top isn't brushed cotton, really, like that, but still feels really nice. So essentially that was worth £8 and this is just £2. And what I like about it as well, it's got a nice little pocket on it. So put your hankies in, guys, you know. So that's it. Not much to say, really. There you go. Next, large. And then the bottom middle there. Next. So that's it, guys. Definitely recommend them. Get them in the sale. Because, and I bet this is made in China. All Next stuff. Let's have a look. Wait a minute. Go. Next retail. Didn't say on that one. Oh yeah, there you go. Made in China. So remember, guys, either pay, don't be getting fooled into top prices from Next because it's all Chinese crap. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Catch you later.